Hello and welcome to the first 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm Jake and no, I do not have khakis on. Before this video gets started, I just want to give a huge shout out to Claire Sarah. She is a YouTuber who gave me the idea to do a 2-minute video. She does amazing work with helping YouTubers get their start. So let's jump right into it. Today I want to talk to you about narration. Narration is something that I frequently use on my videos, and it's funny because I actually started doing it by necessity. On my first video, the B video, which if you haven't seen it, go and watch it right now. So on that video, I forgot to do some talking head recording, so I decided to narrate a lot of what I forgot to say initially. As I was doing this, I found it changed the whole feeling of the video into something that I actually enjoyed more. So much more than what I planned on. And that brings me to my first point. Narration is a tool that enriches a story. So how do you use narration when making a video exactly? There is a number of ways to doing it, but my favorite way is to set the scene, transition location, and/or introduce yourself talking to the camera directly. Here is a great example of that. Horticultural program for the local colleges. There are thousands of species of flowers and other plant life here. Sculptures, art, there's clubs. This place is truly amazing and has it all.
It's true, this place has it all. And most importantly, they have plenty of bumblebees. This is the place where we will find them. Now the challenge comes of getting close enough and getting that perfect shot that I came here for.
This is where the bumblebees like to be. You see, in this scene, I was able to move to a new action and explain the mission, and it just moves the story along so well. A great example of narration like this is Winnie the Pooh, and really any British documentary, which happens to be my favorite style of documentary. So this has been 2-Minute Tuesday. I will see you guys next week.